Okay, so first of all, good afternoon to all. In the last session, we seen some definitions that we are needed while studying the next chapter. So in today's session, we are going to see three definitions related to this chapter, and after that, we will stop. So in the last session, we seen various types of radiations and some definitions related to the solar energy. So in this session we are going to see zenith angle, solar azimuth angle and hour angle. So in the zenith angle, uh, the zenith angle is the angle between the sun and the vertical. So we seen tilt angle. So in tilt angle, what we seen here, suppose PV module is placed here. This is a diagram related to this, and we are measuring the angle with reference to the horizontal surface while measuring the tilt angle. Tilt angle is nothing but the elevation angle. So here what we are doing in the zenith angle, we are measuring our angle with respect to the vertical reference. So here vertical reference is given. With respect to our vertical reference, we are measuring our angle. It is the angle between the sun and the vertical. So we have to measure this angle, and this angle is nothing but the zenith angle, that is denoted by Z here. So the zenith angle is similar to the elevation angle, but it is measured from the vertical rather than from the horizontal. So it is the only difference in between the zenith angle, tilt angle, or we can say tilt angle as a elevation angle. We are measuring our angle with reference to the horizontal surface, and here we are measuring our angle with reference to the vertical reference. uh, it is the angle between the sun and the vertical reference. So zenith angle is equal to the 90 degree minus the elevation angle. This is the formula with related to the elevation angle. There is another formula, z is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha. This alpha is nothing but what? Elevation angle or tilt angle. Or you can write our formula in this way also for the zenith angle. So the next is the solar azimuth angle. Solar azimuth angle is denoted by the lambda, and here the definition of the solar azimuth angle is given. So what is the definition? Azimuth angle describes the position of the modules in terms of how many degrees the array is from the earth. This array is nothing but the collection of the solar panels. When you are going to see solar plant, so at that place you will be see solar array. So suppose if these are the directions here: north, south, east, and west. Suppose these are the compass directions, and suppose if we kept our solar module or solar panel towards the east. East means where here. So if we put our solar panels surface towards the east, so from east what happens? From east sun rises. So sun rises at the morning. So whatever the solar rays or solar radiations coming from the sun, that will be on the solar surface up to first half of the day. First half of the day means up to what? Up to 12th. This is the first half of the day. When solar radiations are coming up to the first half of the day, when we keep our solar panel surface towards the east, because sun rises in the morning, that means up to 6 a.m. Sun rises. From that sun rising period up to half of the day, sun will fall up to the towards the solar panels. After that, sun will go towards the west side. So for that half section, sun rays will not fall on the solar panels when we keep our solar panel towards the east side. So this may be one drawback of our putting our calculation. So for that reason, it is necessary that to measure the solar azimuth angle or to keep the solar panels in a proper way by measuring or by considering all the factors. So if we keep solar panels in another way, that means if we keep solar panel surface towards the west side where the sunset happens. So during second half of the day, second half of the day, sun rays will fall on these panels. So if we keep our panel surface towards the east side, so first of the day will be utilized, and if we keep solar panels surface towards the west side, for that reason also solar rays will fall on the surface in the second half of the day. So it will not be useful for keeping the half day solar panels. So for that reason, here solar panels should be placed towards the south side. So whatever the solar rays coming, that will fall on the solar panels during daytime. So for that reason, solar panels surface should be towards the south side. If we are facing panels to south, then azimuth angle will be 180 degree. So azimuth angle is nothing but what? It is the measurement of the angle from the north towards the perpendicular of the solar panel. So this angle is nothing but the what? Azimuth angle. So azimuth angle describes the position of the models in terms of how many degrees the array is from the earth. So what is the benefit of the measuring solar azimuth angle? So we can understand the angle of the solar array from the north side. This is called as the solar azimuth angle. So next is the hour angle. So hour angle is nothing but the what? It is the angle representing the position of the sun with respect to clock hour. म्हणजे काय? क्लॉक अवरच्या कंपॅरिझन नुसार सनची पोझिशन काय आहे. वी ऑल नो द सन्स डायरेक्शन और सन रेज आर चेंजिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम in the day. So in every day, the radiations falling on the earth surface are getting changed with respect to time also. So it is the angle representing the position of the sun with respect to the clock hour. That means the position of the sun with respect to the clock hour with reference to the sun's position at 12 o'clock. That means this is the time during the daytime. 12 o'clock means what? 12 p.m. By keeping this time as a reference we are measuring the hour angles of the sun. So how to measure this angle alpha? This is just shown, for example, 360 degree. This is the overall angles divided by 24. 24 is nothing but what? Hours of the day. In bracket, T is what? When we are measuring the angle, that time is T. Minus 12. So this 12 is what? This is 12 o'clock. With reference to this time, we are calculating our angle. So this 12 is taken here. So if you have to measure the morning 6, 6, so we kept morning 6 here. So someone just calculate the angle. What is the angle coming here? Just calculate this step. Six. So minus 90 degree is the angle between this time. This at a 6 o'clock, what will be the angle here? Minus 90 degree with reference to 12 o'clock. So for the 18 hour, we will check for 18 hour. So plus 90 degree is the angle that is created here. So in this way you can calculate for any hour of the day, during afternoon time or during second half of the day, or for the first half of the day also. You can calculate any value. So these are the three terms that we have to study. We studied in this session. Okay, hope you all understood the definitions. If you are having a query related to this, you can ask me.